Hello all, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see NAND gate operation and its truth table. Before that, we had seen some of the gates like AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. We are going to see NAND gate operations. What are the universal gates in logic gates? Think and answer in the comment box. Okay, I will tell. There are two universal gates, NAND and NOR. Okay. Today we are going to see NAND only. Next video is NOR. Okay. I will write in the notepad. Welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today, let's set a NAND gate operation. NAND gate. Okay. First of all, NAND gate is an opposite of AND gate. Okay. It is the AND gate. Okay. Next, it is universal gates. It is universal gate. Okay. Third one is why this NAND gate means. I will explain. Okay. NAND gate. Okay. NAND gate equal to not plus AND gate. Okay. Like if you have drawn some AND gate. Okay. Connect the output to the input of NOT gate. It is called NAND gate. Simply NAND gates are nothing but if you draw something in AND gate. Okay. That output is connected to the input of NOT gate and we get some outputs. No, that is called NAND gate. Okay. Opposite of AND gate outputs. Okay, AND gate outputs is called NAND gate. This is called NAND gate. Let us see some of the operations and its truth table. How its diagram and its truth table. Okay. Okay, this is the diagram and the truth table. Okay, before going to see that, someone asked what is universal gates means. There are two universal gates, NAND and NOR. Okay, why we call universal gates of NAND and NOR means using NAND and NOR we can build any logic. Okay, using NAND, we can build AND gate, we can build OR gate. Okay, we can build an XOR gate, NOR gate, any gate we can build. So it is called universal gates. Okay, in universal gate also we prefer NAND gate compared to NOR gate because of in NAND gate. See that in the diagram, the truth table. Wait, I will draw. In the diagram, we'll see one, two, three. Three outputs are high. Okay, only one would be slow. Okay, so we prefer, but in our gate we don't have much high outputs. Okay, but in AND gate we have many high outputs. So we prefer AND gate over NOR gate. And this is a structure of NAND gate diagram. Okay, this is you know that AND gate and we made a circle. Okay, circle is called NOT gate. Okay, and this diagram is called NAND gate. And see that here in AND gate, okay, whenever there is two input is high only, we get the output as high, or else the output will be low. But here the opposite of, okay, where there is a in AND gate where there one means the one is output is one, but here zero, opposite. Okay, but in AND gate we have that the remaining three terms are zero, but in here we get the remaining one. So let's revise. Can we call it NAND gates are opposite of AND gate, and if we prefer NAND gate over OR gate, okay, it is the universal gates. Okay, it has more outputs compared to NOR gate. Okay, NAND gate is the combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. This is about the NAND gate operation. So, okay, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Let's see in the next video. Bye from Madan. Thank you.